Princess Peach at New York Comic Con 2012 with Marty McFly and his hoverboard. What made you decide to dress up as Marty this year, other than being amazingly awesome?
Well, not only is Christopher Lloyd here,
Yes, he is.
who plays Doc in Back to the Future, but he's an awesome character, and why not?
What made you decide to dress up as this awesome version of the Joker?
It's different. You don't see a lot. I haven't seen one last year, the year before. I didn't see it yesterday, so I was like, hey, what the hell?
What made you decide to dress up as Boba Fett Chicken Family? Chicken Fett, there you go.
Just it's one of it's the melding of two famous cult characters, the giant chicken from Family Guy and Boba Fett. You put them together, it's like chocolate and peanut butter. It's a winning combination.
It wins every single time. Are you boiling to death in there? Yeah, okay. I know I'm boiling to death in this, so I can only imagine. So we got Rick Grimes here from The Walking Dead. Tell me, do you read the comic books as well? You just watch the show?
I watch the show and I read the comics too.
This is what I'm talking about. I do as well, and I'm like, anybody who only watches the show, it's like, you're missing out, man, you know? Is this your first Comic-Con, Deadpool? I'm gonna guess no, because you seem pretty experienced.
Yeah, that's what she said.